Hey there, pet lovers. Today I want to share a heartwarming story that'll brighten your day. It's about Clara and Max, proof that it's never too late for a new beginning. Clara, a retired teacher, found herself in a quiet and predictable routine after stepping away from the classroom. Her days were calm, but something was missing. That is, until Max bounced into her life. Max, a sprightly terrier with a tail that never stopped wagging, brought an unexpected burst of energy into Clara's world. Every morning like clockwork, Max would nudge Clara awake, his little tail wagging with pure excitement. He was always eager for their morning walks in the park. And you know what? Clara found herself smiling more, chatting with neighbors she'd never spoken to before, and even joining a dog walking group. Who knew such a small dog could make such a big impact? Max's boundless energy pushed Clara to stay active. Every romp in the park, every game of fetch, and every belly rub brought more joy into Clara's life. It wasn't just about the exercise, it was about the connection. Max's unconditional love gave Clara a renewed sense of purpose. No scientific study was needed to confirm what Clara already knew in her heart. Studies have shown that pets can reduce stress, ease loneliness, and even lower blood pressure. But Clara didn't need science to tell her that. Max wasn't just a pet, he was a companion, a motivator, and a source of constant good vibes. With Max by her side, Clara felt as though her life was full and vibrant once again. So, if you or someone you know is looking for a bit of joy and companionship, consider adopting a pet. They just might change your life in ways you never imagined. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more heartwarming tales. And remember, it's never too late for a new beginning. See you next time.